You guys enjoy your weekend?
Yeah, I had fun.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, where did you go? Did you just stay or did you went out?
Went out. Somewhere.
I just stayed.
Yeah, it's better if you just stay at home, okay? Because the COVID case in Cebu City right now is rising. It's already reached 1,000. Before it's lower than that. Now it reaches 1,000.
That's weird. Maybe we don't get to go to school until we're older.
I think
Like,
I think everything will be back to normal by next year, I guess. 2022.
2022, it's like Christmas
I'm
again.
already that time, teacher. I'm already gonna be 8 at that time, and I'll be grade 4.
Yes, you'll be grade 4 by that time, right? 2022 might be. Who knows, right?
Yeah.
And it's already February. I've
Wait,
heard
are
that.
we?
Yes, it's already February.
Oh, it's January
Almost.
5th.
Almost.
Almost. That means it's almost the wedding and my Ate Maris's birthday.
Yes. Who among
My
you
mom
here are gonna celebrate their birthday in February next month? It's going to
My
happen
mom
birthday
is
next month.
in February 7 and the wedding is in February 6. So my mommy and dad decided just to go to the wedding and then come home at nighttime, because if they don't go home, they will be late for the birthday of my mommy's sister.
Oh, I see.
That's why they're going home tonight.
All right, so it's better to be safe, no? Always stay inside the house because the case right now is rising. Also, we're done with the second quarter and we're already in third quarter. Now, fourth quarter is also upcoming, and also your exam. I'm gonna start preparing for your tests for the third quarter. Mastery test first, and then the periodical test. So I hope you guys will study hard for the upcoming mastery test. Okay. All right, so let's move over. Let's move on now and let's go to our lesson for today. But before that, let's have a short review about the lesson that we had last time. Okay. So last time in our class, we discussed about, what did we discuss about in our class last time? Division. We discussed about division, right? So, do you guys have any idea on how to solve division?
Yes. Multiplication and division.
Right. So,
Yes.
exactly. So, division is really easy.
Just
Easy, especially if you know the multiplication. So here, I'm gonna show you today the relationship between the multiplication and the division. Take a look at the following conversation. There are 4 little toy pigs on each shelf. So there are 8 toy pigs in all on the 2 shelves. So you have 4 multiplied by 2 is equals 8. How did we get 8? Can someone tell me how to get 8?
4 times 2.
4 plus 4.
Yes, 4 plus 4. Okay. And then you add it up. That's how you get 8. Okay. So you can see here. So you put the 8 toy pigs on 2 shelves. There are 4 toy pigs on each shelf. So 8 divided by 2 equals
4.
4. So that's how you can see the relationship between the multiplication and the division. Okay, so Jed is talking about multiplications and Mirna is talking about division. So who do you think is right? Who do you think is right? This one is Jed and this one is Mirna. So who do you think is right?
Jed.
Jed or Mirna, who knows, right? So now Jed and Mirna each takes a toy pig away. So there are 3 toy pigs on each shelf. There are 6 toy pigs altogether on 2 shelves. So 3 times 2 equals 6. So it's just the same with this one. This one right here. 3 times 2 equals 6. And 6 divided by 3 equals 2.
2.
You can actually alternate it. Someone is entering. Wait. Okay, so the number 2, 3, and 6 are fact families. What is fact family? Fact family means we can use the numbers to form multiplication and division sentences, right? So they're just in the same family. Now let's go over. See the relationship between the two. So you can see here, division and multiplication are related to each other because they are considered as fact families. So you have multiplication fact and division fact. So you can see 4 times 2 equals 8 and 8 divided by 2 equals 4. So take a look at here. Complete the number sentence. 5 multiplied by 3 equals 15. 15 divided by 3 is equals to how much?
5. 5.
5. Equals to 5. Yes, it's equals to 5. How about this one? 2 multiplied by 9 equals 18. 18 multiplied by 9 equals
2.
2. How did you get the 2, Alessandra?
Because I just saw it right there. I saw it right there. So if we divided the answer.
It's just right there. So this one, 7 multiplied by 6 equals 42. 42 divided by 6 equals
7.
7. They're just related to each other. Next.
Yeah, I just saw it. I also saw it.
This one, 4 multiplied by 9 equals 36. 36 divided by 4 equals
9. 9.
Oy. 9. So you can see here, look at the relationship.
4.
And you can see each knife here arranged into 4. And there are 9 knives, right? So if we have 4, 9 equals, you've got 36 knives. Now you're going to divide all of them. There are 36 and then you divide it into 4. So how much is it? How many knives are there?
9.
There are 9. Okay, now next you have 8 multiplied by 6 equals 48. So there are 48 apples in all. 48 divided by 6 equals how many rows or columns of apples?
8.
There are
8.
8. Okay, 8. All right, so let's try. Try another one. Let's see if you already have a background of division using the multiplication. All right, so number 1, kindly get your whiteboard, please. Nice. Okay, are you guys ready?
Not yet. I'm still listening.
Okay.
Done.
Let me just write down the numbers now. All right. Okay, so here, number 1. So number 1, you have wait. Okay, so wait for a moment. Wait for my instruction first.
Absensya, kuha ko ng birth certificate.
Okay, let's get stopped here. All right, so as what you can see, I've actually had it in this way. So what you can see, there are like division problems, right? So all you have to do is, okay, this is an example I'm gonna give. So 36 divided by 6 equals 6. Now this is what you're gonna do. You have to show multiplication example to show the relationship between the two. So 6 times 6 equals 36. And that's how you're gonna do it. All right. So all you have to do is just show the relationship between the multiplication and the division. If you already have the answer, you can easily show the fact, the multiplication fact.
Oh, 5. Oh, this is 5. Then like 10 divided by 5.
Okay, so you already have it here. 36 divided by 6 equals 6. So if we are going to multiply 6 multiplied by 6, the answer is 36. Okay. Now it's your turn to answer the rest.
10 divided by 5. 10. 5.
Okay, so if you'll have 10 divided by 5, how much is it?
1.
10. If you divide it, you divide the 10 into 5. Example, you didn't start counting 10. So you have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You use the sticks. Okay, so you have here 10. You have 10 already. Or you can use the multiplication. And let's just use the multiplication. Skip counting. Okay, so you have here, you do the skip counting. Example, 5 multiplied by 1 equals 5. Then 5 multiplied by 2 equals 10. You do the skip counting so that it'll be easier for you. So therefore, 10 divided by 5 equals 2. Now, let's see if it is correct. So you do the multiplication fact. So 5 multiplied by 2 equals 10. All right, so the correct answer is 2. Okay, so that's how you're gonna do it.
Five.
Hello.
Five, 10, 15, 20, 35, 30, 35, 40, 45, 45.
How many?
8, 6, 9, teacher, there's no divided in the chat box. Divide.
Oh, okay.
I'll write it in the paper lang, teacher, because I write it in the paper.
No division using the cell phone?
I am done already.
No,
I'm
Really?
done already.
I did it by counting. By everything. And you actually show us the answer, teacher, in the first one.
Mm.
But I did everything by myself because they were by 5. They were easy. I'm gonna do the 4. I'm gonna do 5 and 6, teacher. I'm almost done.
Okay.
Remute. I think they heard my answer.
You can use the paper, right?
I can use the paper. Yes, I'm using the other paper.
But make sure that we can see it clearly.
Yeah, I put it 4 so they won't see my answers.
Okay, show your solution, not just the answer right away.
I showed the solution that you did, teacher.
Yeah. No, the people who are sending their answers in the chat box.
Oh, but I already showed my solution on the paper.
Okay.
The same solution as you did, teacher.
9. I'm already done.
How about the rest of the numbers? Andre.
What? That now look like I just do it like this because I have a small
Hello?
whiteboard.
You just write in a small letters, small numbers. You can use the paper, Andre.
I'll just use my whiteboard.
Seven times 3 is 21. Oh, answer. How about this one? 50 divided by 2. Now, what is 20 minus 0? Oh. Okay. 9 plus, make this one again, 45 divided by 5. I already done. Because it's you make uniform. I have to. It's okay. Done.
Johan.
Sorry.
No shouting, Johan.
I hate.
Huh?
One. Sure. My solution was I was doing the math. I mean the.
You're doing the math?
The times I was doing it and when I was changing the numbers like 3 times 1, 4 times 1 like that. That's what I was doing.
Oh, okay. Good job if you're doing the skip counting. Okay. Remember, you can do the skip counting. All right. Are you guys ready? Are you done?
Yep.
Okay, so let's check now. Not yet?
Done, teacher.
Okay, so
Not yet.
this one right here. As what you can see, That's what you can see. Yes. Hello. Okay, so let's start with number 3 first. Okay, eyes here. So take a look at the following. You have here 45 divide by 5. 45 divide by 5. So how are we gonna know the answer? So you've got 5, right?
Yeah.
Yes. So let's start multiplying, doing the skip counting by 5. So 5 multiplied by 1 equals, how much is it?
5.
5. 5 multiplied by 2 equals, Andre, eyes on the screen, Andre.
10. 10. Teacher, 10.
Okay, so you have 10. 5 multiplied by 3 equals 15. 5 multiplied by 4 equals 20. 5 multiplied by 5 equals
25.
25. 5 multiplied by 6 equals
30.
30. 5 multiplied by 7 equals
35.
35. And 5 multiplied by 8 equals
40.
40. 5 multiplied by 9 equals
45.
45. So therefore, you already have the 45. So 45 divided by 5 equals, what's the answer?
9.
9. Yes, the answer is 9. So let's check if the answer is 9. So let's have 5 multiplied by 9 equals 45. Therefore, our answer is correct.
Teacher,
Okay.
that was my solution. That what you did under the multiplication. I mean the division.
Yes.
I did the multiplication under.
Okay, so this one is you just have to add the numbers again and again repeatedly. Okay, so as what you can see,
That's what
5 multiplied by 1 equals 5. Good job. Then 5 multiplied by 2. So 5, you add 5 equals to 10. Then you add another 5 equals to
15.
15, right? So again, next, let's go over to the next one. 18, number 4. Let's have Sean. Sean, can you please answer this one, please? 18 divided by 9, number 4.
Okay. So 18 divided by 9.
Okay, let's do the skip counting, Sean, so that the rest of your classmates will understand how you got the answer. Okay, so what did you do?
9, 18.
You do the skip counting by 9.
So I counted 9 and 18.
Okay, so 9 multiplied by 1 equals 9. Then 9 multiplied by 2 equals
18.
18. So what's your answer here, Sean?
4.
Answer is 2.
2. Alright, so did you do multiplication fact?
32.
You already have the division fact. Did you do the multiplication fact?
Yeah, I did it.
Okay, so how did you do it, Sean?
Because 9 times 2 equals 18.
Okay, good job, Sean. So that's how you're gonna do it. Yes, Zach. Okay, let's have Zach at number 5. Okay, Zach, can you please answer now?
16 by
you have 4, Zach. So what should you do first?
you times.
You do the skip.
Counting.
Skip counting. So first you do the skip counting. So 4
times 1 equals 4.
4
times equals 8.
6, 37, 38,
4
39.
times 3 equals 12.
12.
4 times 4 equals 16.
All right, 16. So what did you do, Zach?
I did that same that you did.
Okay, the same thing that I did. What did I do?
Like 4 times 1, 4 times 2.
So what's the answer? 16 divided by 4 equals?
4.
4. And then, next? 4
4 times 4
4.
equals 16.
Okay, good work. All right, next, let's have Alessandra. Alessandra for number 6.
6. 21 divided by 3. So 3 times 1 equals 3. 30 times 2 equals 6. 3 times 3 equals 9. 3 times 4 equals 12. 3 times 5 equals 15. 3 times 6 equals 18.
Okay.
3 times 7 equals 21.
All right, good work. So the answer is
7.
7. All right. So next, what did you do?
3 times 7 equals 21.
21. Good work. Right, good work. Next, number 7. Number 7, let's have another one. Who wants to answer number 7? Seth? Okay, Seth, let's kindly answer number 7, Seth. So you have 50 divided by 10. So what did you do first, Seth? Seth? Okay, so what did you do first? 50 divided by 10.
Multiply.
Okay, you should do the skip counting by 10. So 10 multiplied by 1 equals 10. 10 multiplied by 2 equals
20.
20. 10 multiplied by 3 equals 30. 10 multiplied by 4 equals
40.
40. 10 multiplied by 5 equals
50.
50. All right. So you have 50. What's the answer for 50 divided by 10, Seth?
5.
5. What did you do next? Multiply.
Multiply by 5 equals 50.
Okay. Right, so this is the correct answer. Do you guys any have questions about the multiplication and division relationship between the two?
No, teacher,
No?
but
Do you guys
correct.
understand it?
I got
Good.
everything correct.
Good job. Good job. Okay, so in times of confusion, you should always use the multiplication fact in answering the division. Do you guys got it? Was it easy?
Yes, I use the like 4 times 1. I did it everything, so I would get the answer.
All right. So please don't forget to always remember the multiplication table, right? What is in the multiplication as well. So you should always like do the skip counting. Remember and memorize that one. Okay. So let's say goodbye for now. It's already time.
Bye.
Bye everyone. And see you later in English class.
Okay.
Goodbye.
Bye.
All right, goodbye.
Goodbye. Bye. Bye.